Elementary teachers, let's grow food gardens with your class in 2024. These days, we're talking about how trying to grow a food garden with lunchtime clubs or community planting events is the wrong way of doing this. And the main reason why most of the school gardens are abandoned after the first year. And after I said that in that video, a lot of you came back to me and said, why are you saying that that doesn't work? I've been doing that for years and it does work. Well, when we say something works, we have to define what it was we were trying to achieve and did we actually achieve that or not, right? I don't know what type of school garden you've been successfully growing. What I am talking about is growing a food garden that produces over 20 varieties of food. A school garden that was designed, built, planted, maintained, and harvested by students and no students only, no adults involved, while your students learned how to grow their own food, literally did that, practically learned it, hands-on, and you taught your math and science and social studies and arts and other parts of your curriculum in. Not only that, this school garden didn't get you overwhelmed and frustrated, didn't exhaust you, and you eagerly want to do it again and again and again. I mean, you can't wait to do this again with your next set of students for years to come. Is that the type of garden you grew? Because that's the type of garden the teachers in my programs grow. And if you did this with gardening clubs on lunchtime or community events 1 or 2 times during weekend, I guarantee, I know it 100% that that's not the type of garden that you grew. Why? How do I know that? Because it's impossible to do it that way. Let me show you my 2-phase plan for growing such a garden in my free webinar called School Gardens with Ease 2024. Go grab your spot.